Hey, have you ever sit for study and you think like you have learned everything, and when you sit for examination your brain goes blank? Does it happen with you right now? So this video is for you, because in this video I am going to share an amazing fact and not trick but a method which can help you to remember longer. So what we usually do, we usually just take out our notebook and start reading whatever we have noted down in our notebook, and it doesn't work for some time. Suppose you have theoretical exam, you have to write page after page. At a time, the examiner will ask the deep question to you, and when you try to recall whatever you have learned at your study time, you're not able to remember the things. Why? And if you want to know that how much you have remember what you did study, how much you have remember, if you want to know, so you just need to do one thing. Just close your notebook and start recalling that whatever you were learning. So suddenly you will know, I haven't remember anything, because when you were reading, it is passive learning. You feel comfortable because you do not need to put extra effort, and you get too much confident because whatever is in front of you, you feel like, okay, I am remember this thing, because you are just reading. But when you start recalling the things, then you know the reality that your brain unable to recall the things. So what we can do, apart, like along with revising, we should also practice for recalling. Suppose you learn noun and how many kinds of noun. So when you will see proper noun, you will suddenly know this is the part of noun, this is the first type of noun. And when your teacher asks you that tell me the five types of noun, and if you then you will feel that discomfort, that 5 types of noun I know, but I am not able to recall the name, because right now your brain feel pressurized. Your brain has to remember all the things whatever inside, right? So you should also try to recalling is the key which can help you to get high score, and which can help you to remember for longer. So that's what the method that I wanted to share, that we always just tend to do revising, but we never take care about the recalling. And this is the very strongest method if you are a student, and if you are a college student or a school student, then you should definitely focus toward recalling factor. If you have one day examination, then revising will be work for you, because you do not need to remember the deepest question, because the question and the answer will be in front of you. You just need to recognize them. So revising will work for you if you have one day examination. But if you have to write page after pages, then you should also do practice for recalling will work for you. That's what I wanted to share. I hope you will like it, and if it is going to be helpful for you, and if it was helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you soon in my next video. Sri Radhe. Keep learning.